everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
My Champions doing. Champions Value Antelope Valley. It's an area that I grew up in from the age of 5. A whole bunch of years. Lived a few other places. About to go in flame broiler right there, you see it. It's gonna be a great video series. Just a little introduction. This is a area that's about 70 miles north of Los Angeles, right? Got the bankroll mask on. About to go in here. This is a business I support. We got healthy food, things like that. Really, you know, they really do their thing. So we're gonna go in here, place an order, get our food. Yeah. Enjoy this Easter weekend we got coming. All right, it's a blessing. Tripping. All right, we got the flame broiler, and I'm gonna put a link so y'all know where to come snatch it up. Great food. Ooh, we can get this mask off though. It's bright out here, so I like to wear my shades. Yep, so here it is. Got our food, got everything situated. Let's stay locked in, everybody. Have an amazing, productive weekend. Stay focused.
Living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all